Hey there, my pinup girls and my rockabilly dudes. I'm back again with another heel video. Once again, because, I'm surrounded by them. Why wouldn't I make another video? So we're still staying with the theme of, my last shoe haul. So we are going in with these gorgeous little booties, the 700SK-2. These bad boys. Look at those. They're 7 inches with 2 3/4-inch platform. The main part of the booty is canvas with white stitching, and it has white laces going up the center here with cute little silver grommets. And then it has a hidden silver zipper inside here. It's really cute. Leather toe top here and white pleaser platform. That it is UV, so which is really awesome. I love these guys. They're super cute. I had to have them for many reasons. And let me tell you, just like, a cup. So I was just like, thinking about some things about these heels. And one thing that came to me, and it was kind of funny, and I just feel like I need to share this. What I was thinking was if Converse and a stripper had a love child, and Joan Jett and Betty Page raised the said love child, this would definitely be the love child, don't you think? I sure think so. I think it would so be the love child that would come out of that, which I don't mind. I am a really big fan of Converse, so the fact that I saw these, I was super excited when I did finally order them. I finally gave in. I was like, okay, I'm finally gonna buy them. And I have a lot of pairs of different Converse, so getting a pair of heels was kind of exciting and fun. And it was nice because I was like, ooh, it's a pair of heels that are casual. Some people laugh at me when I say that it's casual, that these are casual to me, but I think they're casual. So you know what, we're gonna get ready and go out, and we're gonna go take a nice walk outside, and we're going to show off a really cute outfit I paired with these heels, which I'm wearing right now, so that I actually made. This is the Rizzo, and I put a little cute little Dita pin on it because you have to have a Dita pin on it, and she's riding her lipstick. And it's actually a sunny day here today in Vancouver, so I do have my sunnies ready to go, and then I have a little top underneath because I like to make me feel like a rock star. So know what? Let's go outside. My heels on, so let's go. So while I'm wearing these amazingly cute heels, I think that quality is really nice. I love that the zipper is a really heavy quality zipper, so it feels like it's not gonna break on me. I love that the toe cap is actually a nice leather, and then obviously UV, so if you're in black light it glows, and the stitching is really nice as well on it. I actually find them quite comfortable, to be honest. The only thing I would recommend is putting in a little insole. A little cushion wouldn't hurt anybody. I did find that after a bit, my little feet did start to hurt after a bit, but I've been wearing them all day long, and my feet actually didn't start hurting until probably quite late into the evening, and that's doing pretty well for me. It was sunny. Well, that was a fun time, wasn't it, outside? We needed sunglasses, and then all of a sudden it started to hail on us, and then it was very cold, and I just wanted to go sit in the car and turn on that heated seat. But I toughed it out for you guys, and I did it. I did it for you. And you know what? I had so much fun doing it, and I'm glad I did it. I forced myself to do it because I was like, normally I would have given up. And I've been trying to push myself to just go forward and to do things. That's something I've been really working on this year. So I'm glad I did it, and I did it for you guys. So I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on those notifications, so make sure you click that little bell, and leave me some feedback. If you have feedback, let me know in the comments. If you like the video and you just want to tell me what you liked about it, tell me in the comments as well. Hope to see you guys soon. Make sure you look out for the next video of the next pair of heels from that shoe haul. I will see you in the next one.